speed up your scheduling by setting up a regular repeating service in a client's account, and then bulk scheduling repeat services across multiple clients. These tools are perfect for saving time and streamlining recurring bookings. This video shows the steps taken on desktop. However, the process is exactly the same on a mobile. To start, simply access the menu using the hamburger icon in the top right corner. To begin, log in to your PetSitter Plus dashboard. Let's take a look at how to set up a repeat service for a specific client. Head over to the Clients menu. Select your client, and then click the Repeat Services tab. And then Manage Repeats. If the client doesn't have a repeat service set up yet, Manage Repeats will automatically open to a blank form, ready for you to enter the required information. You can then enter the details of the service, including the label. Clients don't see this, so it just needs to help you identify the repeat service. Choose the service item. Assign the required staff member. Top tip, assign the member of staff who most commonly delivers this service. If this changes nearer the date, for example due to availability, you can just amend it in the schedule. Select the regular days of the week. Or alternatively, use the date of the month if there is a specific day of the month for the service. This is optional and can be left as is for services that repeat each week. Choose the time block and the time of the service. With display time switched off, staff are simply instructed to visit within the time block. If you need to show a specific time within that block, toggle display time on and select the desired time from the drop-down. This will still show the time block on the scheduler, but also highlight the exact time you've chosen. Since this visit can take place at any time within the time block, we'll leave display time toggled off. Finally, if you want to change the pet name reference for this repeat, enter it here. Top tip, you'll find info icons throughout your system offering extra help text beside key features. Just click the icon for a quick explanation of what each setting does. Once everything looks good, click Create. The new template has now been created and saved, ready for use when you're ready to schedule this client's repeat services. Top tip, if you haven't already, we recommend watching our video on setting up and editing a repeat service for a single client as it walks through this process in more detail. Find the link in the description box below. Follow the same process in all your client accounts who consistently book regular repeating services with you. Now let's move to the scheduler to bulk schedule these repeat services across multiple clients. Go to the Scheduler menu and click Schedule Repeats. Here, you can filter the list by invoice type if, for example, you want to schedule repeats for weekly clients and not monthly clients. Next, select the date range you want to schedule for and click Go to load your filtered repeat services list. You will see the repeats that are ready to be scheduled, and these appear in green. Top tip, if you are in any doubt, just click Go again to reload your date range. This prevents you from making a scheduling error at this point. Use the checkboxes to select individual clients, or click the top option to select all available repeats. Next, give your scheduled batch a clear label like October 2025 to easily identify the group of services and dates. Once ready, click Schedule to process the repeats. This will automatically create a service order in each client's account containing their repeat services within the dates you specified. Important, it's worth taking a moment to understand what orders are in PetSitter Plus. Think of an order as a container or folder within your system. You can label each order to make it easy to identify later and then place bookings inside it. If you'd like a step-by-step guide to creating a brand new order, we've linked a separate video in the description below. When you're scheduling a repeat service, the system will automatically generate a new order for you. To view all the orders for a particular client, simply select the client and then head to Orders and Invoices. In Orders and Invoices, you'll see that the system has automatically created a new order labeled October 2025. Click the order name highlighted in blue to view the list of services that have been scheduled automatically. Returning to scheduling repeats, once you have clicked Schedule, you'll see a confirmation message indicating that services have been successfully scheduled. The color changes to orange, and where it said Ready previously, this is now changed to Scheduled. To double check, you can go to the Schedule view to see everything has been added correctly. Nice work! You've now learned how to set up repeat services for clients and how to bulk schedule them efficiently in PetSitter Plus. To continue enhancing your experience, be sure to explore our learning zone for additional videos on next steps and other topics that might be useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, check out our help articles linked in the description below, or contact your coach or our support team. Curious about PetSitter Plus? If you're not already a client, you can try it free for 30 days. Sign up on our website today and see how we can simplify your business management and streamline your administration tasks. You can find a link to our free trial in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can stay up to date with helpful tutorials and top tips to enhance your pet care business.